Frameloop AI is a brand new AI tool that's generating a lot of buzz right now, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. If you've been looking for the latest cutting-edge AI software to streamline your workflow, this is a tool you need to check out, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. And if you're interested, you can try Frameloop AI for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. Let's dive straight in. Frameloop AI isn't just another generic AI software. This one is designed with a focus on making complex workflows simpler and more efficient. It's built for users who need speed, precision, and accessibility. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, looking for an AI that will save you time and effort. One of the first things you'll notice about Frameloop AI is its user-friendly interface. From the moment you log in, it's clear that this tool is designed for ease of use, even if you're not a tech expert. Everything is laid out in a clean, intuitive way, so there's no steep learning curve, and you can start leveraging its features right away. This is a big plus for anyone who's used AI tools before and been put off by complicated setups and interfaces. Now, let's talk about the core functionality. Frameloop AI is built for automation and data analysis. The software's ability to quickly analyze large sets of data and generate actionable insights is a game changer. Whether you're looking to improve your marketing campaigns, optimize your content strategy, or even track customer behaviors, Frameloop AI does it all with precision and speed. This kind of automation can save hours of manual work, especially for digital marketers and business owners. Another major benefit of Frameloop AI is its customization options. Unlike some of the more rigid AI tools out there, Frameloop allows for deep customization in how it handles tasks and generates outputs. This flexibility means you can adapt it to suit your specific business needs or personal preferences, making it more than just a one-size-fits-all solution. It's especially useful if you need the AI to integrate with your existing tools and processes. Frameloop AI also shines in its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with a variety of other platforms, which is essential if you're already using tools like Google Analytics, social media dashboards, or CRM systems. The ability to sync everything together effortlessly means you don't have to worry about manually transferring data between different platforms, which can be a huge time saver. Now, one of the coolest features of Frameloop AI is its machine learning capabilities. This software learns from the data you input and continuously improves its recommendations and outputs over time. It's not static like some older tools. You'll actually see it getting smarter the more you use it. For anyone who's serious about leveraging AI for long-term growth, this self-improvement aspect is incredibly valuable. The next key feature worth mentioning is Frameloop's scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this AI tool can scale to meet your needs. It's flexible enough to handle small data sets, but it's also robust enough to handle much larger, more complex workflows without breaking a sweat. That's important if you're planning to grow or if you need a tool that can grow with you. Lastly, let's talk about support and updates. Frameloop AI comes with excellent customer service, which is crucial when you're dealing with new software. They provide tutorials, live chat, and even community forums to help you get the most out of the software. Plus, as it's a relatively new release, the team is constantly rolling out updates to improve functionality and add new features. So you're not just getting a static product, you're getting an evolving tool that will continue to add value. So, should you give Frameloop AI a try? Absolutely. It's a powerful tool that can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced digital world. Again, you can try it for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. And just to make sure you're getting the best of the best, I've also included some of my other recommended AI tools in the description. Tools I've personally tried and tested after exploring thousands of options, so make sure to check those out too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.